After the replication, the cell has to divide. The cell divides either by mitosis or meiosis, but we are talking about reproduction. So in reproduction, the chromosome number should reduce to half. Do you know that? The chromosome number should reduce to half. It can be meiosis or mitosis. Which division will be used here? Are you clear about this fact? The difference between mitosis and meiosis? Meiosis. In meiosis, the chromosomes join first. They come very close to each other. That process is called as synapsis. The homologous chromosomes are the same chromosomes. How many pairs of chromosomes we all are having? Human beings are having how many pairs of chromosomes? Can they hear? Human beings are having how many pairs of chromosomes? Speak out the answer.
23 pairs of
chromosomes. 23 pairs of chromosomes. Out of these 23 pairs, 22 pairs are same for male and female. But there is only one pair which is different for males and females. In males, the sex chromosomes are
XY.
X and Y. And in females, the sex chromosomes are X and X. During cell division, what will happen? We are having two types of division, meiosis and mitosis. During mitosis, the chromosome number remains the same. But in meiosis, the chromosome number reduces to half. So that after mitosis, when the gametes are formed, they are having half the number of chromosomes. We normally designate the number of chromosomes in human being or in any organism as 2n. 2n. N is the haploid number of chromosome. But if I write it as 2n, it becomes diploid number of chromosome. When a cell is having diploid number of chromosomes, it will divide by meiosis, and the cells which will be formed will be having half the number of chromosomes. This is clear for you? Is this clear? The cells, they are having 2n number of chromosomes. After meiosis, they will be having n and n in both the cells. Then mitosis. Regarding mitosis, the division is the same number of chromosomes will come down. If you can see this slide, in meiosis, first step we have written synapsis. Synapsis and crossing over. Do you know what is crossing over? When two homologous pair of chromosomes come near each other, they exchange their parts with each other so that the characters of parents, they can mix. So that process is called as crossing over. If I draw it here, it will be something like that. It is one chromosome and this is the same number of the chromosome. One is paternal, one is maternal. What will happen here? A part of this chromosome will be exchanged. This chromosome part can come here. This chromosome part will come here. When the chromosomes are exchanged amongst each other, a part of the chromosome, then it is called as crossing over. This is clear for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Crossing over. And crossing over is very important for variation. If there is no crossing over, we will be exactly identical to our parents. So crossing over is very important. Synapsis. Synapsis means these homologous chromosomes have to come close to each other. Come and stand parallel. When they will be parallel, then only they will exchange the segments. If one is part, one is here, then they can't exchange the segments. So the next thing is they should be very close. The first thing that will happen before crossing over, they will be coming close, homologous pairs. Then they will exchange their segments. That process is called as crossing over. Next slide, please. Now here in this one, homologous chromosomes align independently. You are seeing meiosis. Okay, homologous chromosomes are coming. You can see the two long chromosomes are very close to each other. Two short chromosomes are very close to each other. They are aligning with themselves. Then next step is homologous chromosomes separate. You can see in one cell, one long and one short. In the other cell, one long and one short. Now we are having two daughter cells. These daughter cells will undergo meiosis division, further continue next stage, and the pair or daughter chromosomes will also separate. Now finally we are having, after meiosis from single cell, 4 cells. From single cell we got 4 cells, but all the 4 cells are having half the number of chromosomes. Okay, half the number of daughter nuclei are not genetically identical to the parent because crossing over has already taken place. Now we will see about mitosis, the next type of division. In mitosis, the chromosomes align at the metaphasic plate. Do you remember the metaphasic plate? During division, in this region, these are the 2 poles. This is called as equator. On the equator, the chromosomes come and align like this on the metaphasic plate in the middle. Now the centromere of both the chromosomes will separate out and they will go away from each other, daughter chromatids. Okay, this is clear, metaphasic plate. Slide. Then you can see daughter chromosomes can separate. They are separating. Under mitosis, you can see the chromosome number is the same and the cell formed are 2. Daughter cells are formed. They are genetically identical to the parent cell. There is no crossing over, nothing is there. This is simply occurring in all your body cells, but your germ cells inside your testes and ovaries, they are having meiosis type of division.